Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas. Thank you for watching. Finishing up a 2017 RS7, obviously Nardo Gray here, full wrap. Before the car received its typical full decontamination and paint correction, it had a fair amount of scuffs and swirls from car washes. However, once that's done, we did the full wrap on the car, and as normal, importantly, enough to mention, still we're going to get a lot of questions about this. People asking, do we wrap our edges? And at Clearbrow, North Dallas, everything gets wrapped. All these corners, all these edges. So there's nothing shown. We don't notch out the corners. And that's why this individual, this is his fourth or fifth car. I think his fifth car he's done with me over the last 6 years. So everything gets wrapped around. So all the edges, all that's wrapped. That fender. And by the way, this tire has a ceramic coating, the actual rubber on it. It lasts a year. It's by Fine Labs, and the wheel was ceramic coated, the actual metal. So the rubber has a black tire ceramic on it, so it'll stay nice and slick and black like that. Nevertheless, coming up here on that fender again, the fender wraps into the door jamb, and the door wraps into the door jamb. This goes under the molding, no gap around the mirror stock, full mirror all the way to the edge. Full mirror all the way around. And then coming up on our A-pillar, everything's nice. The roof wrapping down into here, okay? So that's the very front of the roof. If you do the roof panel and you just had a line that stopped here, then this little edge, trust me, it takes a beating. The point is to cover it, and it's not an advantage to leave that unwrapped. So we wrap every edge we can. This one we didn't take the door handles out, but I was made sure to run these tight. Just it's up to the client if they want the door handles off. There's an extra fee. They're really simple by pulling that plug. But let me try to find an area here where we show you how this wrapped. Everything went down really nice. Sometimes we get like a little area, like right in there. You'll see it bunches up a little bit on that corner, but it'll never be a problem. Wrapping these doors is simple. Coming in, getting all these edges. Everything goes under. No edges on top. So there you go. Okay, let's continue around. And on top of this, I put a Fine Lab 3-year ceramic coating. I don't charge for that on my full wrap. So if you get a full wrap, there is no charge for the ceramic coating over the top. And the question we get, why do we use ceramic coating on top of bra, or is it necessary? It is not. The bra does everything. The only thing the ceramic coating is going to do, and this is probably a debatable subject amongst fellow enthusiasts, it makes it more slick. It gives it more UV protection. You pay enough for a full wrap. Let's protect it. It's nominal, the fee, when you throw ceramic over it. So with my full wraps, I include a 3-year at no charge. And it's really nice. I mean, the washing on it is effortless. This guy, properly taken care of, just rinse it down, good to go, wipe it down, you're done in less than 10 minutes, wiping the car down, washing it off. Let's pick it up here at the gas cap area. When we plot these, the design, we omit this hole. Obviously, we add extensions for the wrap, just like we did when we do customs. But there you go, everything's nice and wrapped in. Here we can see a little edge here underneath where it bunches. We'll trim that off, but coming around this edge, everything's nice and tucked in. So when you look at from here, you don't see anything around it. And the bumper down below, again, wrapping it. Very small edge here, it's a micro, but we can still grab enough. And coming back over here, our bumper, I've had some questions. It's all one piece, but what happens is in here, in the sill, it's still the same piece. We don't have to put a seam or a separate piece. It's all one that rolls in, okay? And we'll just finish this up because the video is getting a little long. So there you go, full wrap. XPEL Ultimate Plus with Fine Labs 3-year ceramic coating. Thanks for watching. Clear Bra, North Dallas.